So Logan bought the wood stove in a tent for it off of Temu. So he set it up. So let's go see if it's warming up out here. It's currently like 10 degrees outside and snowing. Look at this dude.
Hello?
Where do I come in at?
Either side. Come on in.
No, it was so short.
Yeah. Oh, tiny, but
God.
I'm hoping if they get us another bigger one out.
Pretty cozy in here, I'd say. It's very small. Feel a little claustrophobic.
It's a starter tent, so.
Yeah, but this would be nice if we went camping.
Yeah.
Huh. Well, cool. Thanks, Temu.
It's so warm back here, too. Oh my God.